How to change kilojoules to calories in Myfitnesspal app. Firstly, you have to open Myfitnesspal app, and then you can see here at the top that there is a mark of profile. Click on it. Now click on this mark which is present at right top corner. Click on it. You can see here at the top there is an option of edit profile. Click on it. You can see here at the second last option that there is a units. Click on it and you have to change kilojoules to calories, like here kilojoules to calories. Click on this mark. You can see here kilojoules and calories. Click on calories. In this way the kilojoules will be changed into calories. That was all. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.